and I'm here to showcase our project Code Chronicles for this hackathon. Let's get started. So basically, we have built a game to help students learn C++ language. So let me explain you the workflow of the game. So this is our game. This is our character, the red one. So the user moves around here and chooses what he wants to learn. Let's say the user wants to learn loops. Then the user is turned down to the mentor part of the game. Now for this mentor part, we have used agentic AI. Like we have used AI agent, and for the large language model, we have custom fine-tuned our own model. So let me give you a demo. So yeah, this is the mentor. Okay, so you can chat with the mentor. The screen, there are two different windows. I know that due to time constraints, this is a bit glitchy. But yeah, like the engines, the engine of this thing is like a Ferrari. So the front end seems like a bit sketchy. Okay, so here, from a user point of view, I'll just write module 2, and I'll press enter. It will take a second, and then what this mentor does is basically the mentor takes in what the user is trying to learn. Then it also has the access to users cursor, this thing, and users activities. Users like forward in this thing, in this game, the user will be fighting an enemy while coding. So this mentor also has access to that thing. So the mentor knows what the user understands, how the user understands, what part of C language programming he doesn't understand, and how to teach the user so that he understands something. So yeah, mentor is a really smart thing that we have integrated. So module 2, we imported the thing, module 2. Let's embark on module 2. It is trying to teach us if statements. If you want to go on to blah 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 blah, it teaches if statements and other things for C programming language. Now what I really want to show you is admin. So when I enter something like this is when I enter the admin part of the agentic AI. Now I just want to know like what mistakes is the user making frequently. And I'll press enter. It will take a second. Okay. And here is the thing. Common mistakes user is making frequently, not using proper syntax. This. All these things is a list of user mistakes. Mentor knows this thing. I can access this thing. I can also access the metadata that is like the very analytical data of user. Like what is the learning pattern of user? Is user a slow learner or a fast learner? So from an industrial point of view, this basically is data gathering of the user. We can use this data to improve on our product or improve on this project. Also, we can use this data to like define a general perspective, general understanding of how the Indian audience or some specific teenagers of some specific region think. So yeah, like it's good. So moving on next, we saw the mentor. Yeah. So yeah, this is our game. You can see our health here. So what this game does is, based on what the user chatted with mentor, it gives 5 simple tasks to the user. So the first task is to print hello world in C programming language. Now here, if I have the incorrect code to print hello world, the code runs, and if hello world isn't printed, then the enemy, this orange one here, shoots our player, and our player gets a damage. Also for time constraint, every 70 seconds, the orange one shoots the red one. So user cannot just slowly code whole night. So that doesn't work like that. So yeah, user has a time constraint based environment to code. So the first is print hello world. Now let me show you something. This is the code to print hello world. Okay. Yeah. Now let me just remove this column here. Now I'll press submit, and when I press submit, you will see that the orange character will shoot at the red. Okay. Okay. So you can see that the orange character just shot our user. Now, if we rectify our mistake, by the way, it also prints compilation failed and this. What I think that we can add in this thing is we wanted to add this mentor window here. So the user codes, he knows the mistake, and the mentor explains the mistake. Due to time constraint, of course, we will do it like next time we get a chance to. But yeah, for now this is it. Now I'm writing the correct code here. For the correct code, you will see the red one shooting the orange, just like yeah. So you can see our character shot the orange character. It took more damage than what we took. Okay. So now there is another task, and this task goes on. There are a total of 5 tasks per game. Then the user breaks the loop, like the user wins, and the mentor teaches him another module. So yeah, this is what the game feels like. Feel free to give us feedbacks on our social handles. We are like our social handles will be attached to this video, or you can just comment this thing. Comment on this video. Thanks. Bye.